Get us live from Mumbai. I'm now joined by Shyama Mishra. Shyama, how is the excitement building there in Mumbai? Because the team India is now about to reach to the Nariman Point, and the victorious day will be celebrated with a great fervor there. We can listen to the chants also. Shyama.
Well, yes, and just a few minutes back, it started raining over here. It started pouring, and we could say that it is a good sign because it was very sunny and everyone was taking shelter. But now everyone is happy, just like how they are happy to welcome.
All this place over here, which is the Marine Drive stretch, is completely covered by people and the fans
and the people who have come to welcome their champions. And we are also hearing that they will start off from the Hotel Trident and then start coming towards this Marine Drive stretch and then move towards the Wankhede area. Also, we are understanding that people or the fans can come to Wankhede, and it is free of cost to witness the felicitation ceremony of their champions. And we understand that the enthusiasm, the fervor is really exciting. It's really grand and at the highest pitch over here, because a lot of people, if you see, this is the Sea of Blue just besides the Sea of Mumbai and the Arabian Sea. This is the Sea of Blue, and if you see, I'm also wearing a jersey, and likewise everyone over. Most of the fans, they have purchased their jerseys to welcome the Indian champions, Indian team, the champions of World Cup 2024, and it is going to be a very exciting evening to remember, because the timing that been given is around 5 o'clock that they will begin, but we are in some delays, and also there are a lot of traffic diversions as well, because the whole stretch at that particular time come back towards the home, and that is totally diverted. So you can understand, first of all, it is the sea of people. We are expecting that open bus, which is already decorated and ready to take on the champions who would be coming in that bus, and they'll be traveling the entire stretch. This is about a 2 kilometer more long stretch, and from the Trident NCPA, that is the Nariman Point, the famous point where the Marine Drive ends. It will start off from there and come towards Wankhede. Right now, there are a lot of people standing just besides the roadside, so we can't show you the other side of the road, which is of the Wankhede. But people have come here. I've mentioned that they've come here in jerseys. They are also carrying the flags, and somewhere, if you see, if you can get visuals over here, there are a lot of flags. There are a lot of tricolors that the group have gotten with themselves, and that is written Bharat Army. So you can understand the kind of the relationship with India. It's really grand over here, and with that we are also seeing there are a lot of people who've got themselves dhol and tasha, so to welcome their champions in full swing, in full mood. It is going to be huge over here, and we have also seen that the wait was really long. More than a decade has passed, and after a decade we are getting this trophy home. So it will be really exciting for not just Mumbaikars. We've already seen the celebrations at Delhi, and we are also seeing the tweets of various who are giving a proposal to have the chance back at their home for victory parade.
Right, Shyama. All right. All right, thank you so much, Shyama, for joining us and bringing us those live visuals. It has started pouring in, it has started raining there in Mumbai, and we are just waiting for the Indian team who are about to arrive. And as Shyama filled us with the important detail that they are expecting to start the journey from Trident Hotel, because it is now raining over there, but the fans, they remain to be there, and we are also getting the news that the Wankhede Stadium is already flooded with fans. Half of the gates have been opened for the fans, because a large number of fans have already reached in front of the stadium, in front of the gates of the stadium, and they are waiting for the doors to be open. And you can see the visuals also. You just saw the visuals that Shyama was presenting to us from outside the Wankhede Stadium, where the fans have already queued up. They are holding the Indian flags and eagerly awaiting the moment when they can witness the Indian T20 Cricket World Cup winning team in front of themselves and clap for them, cheer for them, become a part of this historic celebration. And after that, once the team reaches just Mumbai's Wankhede Stadium. They would be felicitated by Jay Shah and other BCCI officials who would be awarding them the prize money, which has been announced. 125 crore rupees is the prize money which will be given out to the team as to celebrate this victorious moment. And now let's move on to Mumbai once again. Yogesh is joining us. Yogesh, what is the latest that you can tell us? It has now started pouring in there in Mumbai, but how the fans are still keeping up the momentum, because we are just very close to the point when the players will be arriving there in Mumbai. Yogesh.
Alright, fans are assembled here. I would like my camera person to just show you how you can see this entire Marine Drive stretch, which is from the NCPA to the Girgaon Chowpatty. You can see the both sides, the youngsters basically, also women in large number. They have gathered. They have, in fact, they are celebrating. They are cheering up. They are raising slogans for Virat Kohli. Okay, tell me your feelings. How you are celebrating here?
सर रोहित शर्मा का लास्ट ईयर हमारे लिए बहुत इमोशनल है, क्योंकि हमने छोटे से बड़े हो रहे तभी रोहित शर्मा को देखा है। जैसे हम ग्रो हुए वैसे वो ग्रो हुआ, तो उस हिसाब से अलग फीलिंग है ये।
एक बात बताइए, after a long time finally India has secured this victory. So what is your feeling? How do you see the entire celebration at this point?
Look, the point was from 10 years we were playing good cricket. We reached the finals, we reached the semi-finals. The only thing was this was the one push we needed to win it. Obviously it's a great feeling to finally win the World Cup, and obviously I think this is the first of many. All the fans loved it. We are here to celebrate, and then obviously a great feeling, once in a lifetime moment.
We lost two finals, which was a big loss for us, so this was very important for us to win.
And also let me tell you, this is, in fact it's raining this time. It's raining in all the parts of Mumbai basically, the monsoon rain in Mumbai particularly. So this time, but we can see that despite monsoon, despite raining, the enthusiasm, the excitement is still there. You can see, I would like to request my cameraman, if it is possible, just try to gather all the visuals, just show there. You can see, as long as you can see all the roads, police have already diverted the entire route of Marine Drive, and all the youngsters, they have joined. Also, the Mumbai locals are completely packed at this point in time. The youngsters are still coming. The team is expected to reach here in another 1 hour, and then the team will go to Wankhede Stadium.
Yes, Yogesh, we can see the excitement building out there despite the rain, the challenges that the weather is posing right now. The excitement is of ultra level when we talk about the fans, and this is the moment that they've been waiting for. And rightly said, Mumbai Characha, as we call Rohit Sharma, is going to come back there in Mumbai to celebrate this time with the coveted T20 Cricket World Cup trophy. Before that, they met Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Thank you so much, Yogesh, for joining us and bringing us those live visuals, those live inputs from Mumbai.